Get about it. Get about it. Subscribe, share, and like. Hit the bell. Forget about it.